Right, so MSCI has announced its November 2025 review for the Indian Standard Index, and here are the key takeaways. Now, the announcement was made at November 2025, the 6th, and the changes will take effect from the market close of November 24th. Now, total of four stocks have been added to the index, while two have been removed from the index. With this reshuffle, if we say, so India's weight in the MSCI index has been slightly increased to 15.6% from the earlier of 15.5%. While we talk about the number of constituents, we see an increase there also, totaling up to 163 from earlier of 161. Now, if you look at the inclusion side, we have Fortis Healthcare leading with an estimated inflow of around $436 million, followed by Paytm with around $424 million of inflow expected. GE Vernova T&D India is expected to see $351 million of inflows, while Siemens Energy India is also included in the index with inflows of around $252 million expected. Now, if we see the exclusion side, we have Tata Elxsi likely to see outflows of about $162 million, followed by Container Corporation of India Limited that may see around $146 million of outflow. Now, we also have stocks that see weight upgrades, including Asian Paints, Lupin, Apollo Hospitals, SRF, Suzlon Energy, Yes Bank, Alkem Laboratories, and Jubilant Foodwork. While if we see for the weight reductions, the stocks included are Samvardhan Motherson, Dr. Reddy, REC, Zydus Life Sciences, Bharat Forge, and Colgate Palmolive. So this was the MSCI review for November 2025 for the Indian Standard Index, and back to you.